Hi guys, welcome back to DIY with Pragya. If you are new here, I make videos on DIY lifestyle and home decor every single week. And today's video is going to be 3 upcycles that I'm going to create from trash to treasure for a home decor. Before filming this video, I went around my house and found some item which I was about to throw away, and then I thought, why should I throw it away if I can upcycle and repurpose them as a home decor or as an organizer or something. I think these DIYs are really important for our mother nature because these are sustainable and these items does not end up in landfills. So I hope this video inspire you guys to upcycle some of the trash that you are going to throw it away and create it into a nice home decor. The first project is a coconut shell candle. For this project, obviously we are gonna need some coconut shell. As you can see here, the edges are not that finely cut. You can obviously use a machine to cut the edges of the shell nicely, but since I will be showing you the easiest way to do it, I'm gonna keep it like this. Also, I think this gives a more natural feel to it. Now with the sandpaper, I'm going to smoothen out the outer side. You can get this sandpaper easily at any hardware store. It costs me around 10 bucks only for this sheet. Sanding down the shell can be a bit challenging task as it takes a lot of time and pressure to sand it properly. So take your time. This is how it looks after sanding it down. You can see that some textures are already visible. Now I'm going to clean out the dust with a damp cloth. You can also sand it more if you want a seamless look without any lining texture, but I like it this way. After it's completely dry, go ahead with some coconut oil to bring out the shine. It completely transforms how it looks after oiling it. So I'm going to put 3 layers of oiling to keep the textures intact, and this is how it looks after the 3 coats of oiling. As you can see, it looks very smooth and seamless, and it has a darker shade in color. Next, it's time to put the wax inside it. I would highly suggest you to not use paraffin wax as it emits harmful smoke. You have to fill the coconut shell with the wax twice and put it into double boiler to let it boil. Meanwhile, let's put the wick in the shell. I'm going for a double wick. You can also put one wick only. Just put as many wick as you like it. Now, as you can see, the wax is completely melted. Now carefully get it out from the double boiler and pour it into the shell. Let it settle and dry out completely, and our coconut shell candle is ready. Isn't it beautiful? This is my personal favorite from this video. In the second project, we are going to repurpose this milkshake bottle as a cute flower vase. Let me tell you that this is the easiest DIY from this video. So if you have any milkshake bottle like this lying around at your place, then just grab them up and start with this DIY. So first, I'm going to paint the bottle with chalk paint that I got from Itsy Bitsy. I will link down the product in the description box below. Next, just go ahead and paint the bottle. I did 2 coats for this, but if you are still not satisfied and can see through the glass, then go ahead with the next coat. Make sure you let the paint completely dry before going ahead with the next coat. I am going ahead with the chalk paint again and dabbing and creating this sort of texture. After this, let it completely dry before moving on to the next step. The next step is pretty simple. Just wrap around the jute twine around the neck of the bottle with some hot glue gun. And tada! Our flower vase is ready. For this project, I'm going to be using an ice cream box which I was about to throw away. But then I thought, why not make an organizer out of it? You can also use any cardboard boxes you have lying around at your home for this DIY. That will work perfectly fine too. Next, I'm using a jute twine to wrap around the body of the box. This step is completely customizable. Instead of using a vine or rope, you can also use a fabric to wrap around the body. It will look equally nice. Then I went through and started at the top and start wrapping around the twine with hot glue gun. You have to be very careful while working with the hot glue gun, just be careful. Sometimes you don't need to glue down the whole box, just wrap around and finish it off with gluing the ends. But I really didn't want the box to show from the jute twine, so I'm covering all the area with hot glue gun to keep my twine intact. And I'm attaching these wooden balls to the bottom of the box to give it a platform, and I think it looks super cute. Next, I'm going to make a basket lining with this market bag. It's a nice jute fabric, I guess, but you can also use any other fabric instead of this. Just look around your house, you might see an old pillow cover or anything. So first, I'm going to cut the side of this bag to use. Next, as you can see, it's very wrinkled, so I'm going to iron it so that it will be easier to work with. Next, I'm going to trace out the measurements of the box to cut the fabric. Make sure you cut 2 pieces for each sides. If you are good with sewing, then definitely go ahead with it, but I'm going to use hot glue gun to attach all the parts. Then first lay around your pieces like so, and first I'm going to apply hot glue on the edges of the base and attach the side pieces. Put the side on the base and then flip over to have a seamless edge. After that, I'm going to hem the edges of the side so that it will give a nice finished look. After this, it's time to put together the basket. For this, I'm going to attach the sides. Make sure you add glue to inner side of the edge. And after all the edges are joined, just put the basket in the box and we are done. I think it's the cutest little organizer. I'm going to use it as my snack organizer on my bedside table. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you do, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel because that really helps me grow a lot. And if you have already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the bell button so that you will never miss an update whenever I post a new video. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so that they will also, recreate some trash into treasure and make their home beautiful. Yeah, so until next video, bye bye.